Don't listen to any other person saying that. Okay, please, let me explain.
This is a man, I used to tell him that his heart was so large that you could drive a trailer through his heart. Raymond was so forgiving. His water will not get enemy. Even those who pursued him, those who fought his business empire, he forgave them and related to them the next as if nothing happened. And he was kind to a fault. I never requested him to use his media to cover any activity or event, and he didn't do so without asking for any payment to be made to this establishment. When my younger brother lost his wife, that was the first time he deployed his what do you call the van that goes out to cover events, to come all the way to our village in Ukehe, in Enugu State, to cover the burial. And he stayed with us for 3 days. So it's difficult to begin to talk about his kindness, his philanthropy. And this is a man who, when he believes in something, he leaves no stone unturned. None. When he campaigned for Bamanga Tuku to be president of Nigeria, he threw his heart inside it. When he campaigned for Atiku, he went around the whole country, every state, by road, and visited all the party people and stakeholders. And I was one of the deputy directors for the campaign. He was also a deputy director, and we worked together. And I know, I know the effort he put in. Our ICT center here is next to none. It has not happened anywhere in Nigeria, and I don't think any party can duplicate it. You know? So that is his level of commitment. When he decided to go into communications after shipping, which was another place, it was a tailblazer. When he went to communication, there was no private radio and television in Nigeria. He entered on a terrain that was virgin and conquered because of his strength of character, his commitment, his determination, his belief in whatever he has set his mind to do. This gentleman cannot be replaced. He is irreplaceable. When Atiku wanted a DG for his campaign, and I was asked, I said, number 1, Raymond Dokpesi, number 2, Raymond Dokpesi, number 3, Raymond Dokpesi. Because he's a man that I have worked closely with, and I believed in his capacity. When Jonathan had his national conference, he was the rallying point for South-South. All the meetings were held in his place. People like Governor Peter Odili, you know, both of them worked closely together, but he was the foot soldier. He was the coordinator. Peter was the leader. They articulated everything that the South-South wanted in the new constitution. So if I tell you the areas that I know Raymond, I say it's difficult to write a comprehensive essay. It's too much. But God knows why you should call him home at this time. And we can only pray that he gives him peaceful repose in her bosom.